Hello everybody. I'm shooting this video now for the seventh time, but let's do it. I'll have to do it whatever happens. Okay, so let's start this video by asking ourselves a question. Do we feel happy when we see someone losing something? For example, in whole North India, there is an environment of devastation everywhere these days. Somewhere floods, landslide happening, and on the other side, people are losing their lands. Our crops are on the verge of destruction. Even we have lost many things. Someone lost their lives, someone lost their loved ones, homes, lands, livestock, many things. There are cases when we feel sad for someone. There are cases when it doesn't matter if someone is losing something or not. And these can be cases when we are listening to such news every day on a daily basis. And there are times when somewhere we feel in the corner of our heart that okay, great, he or she has lost this. Now let's see how he is going to survive or what is he going to do. I gave a thought to this idea of feeling happy on someone's lost. So let's say that in our area, many shops have destructed. Many people have lost their many things. Okay, now let's say that we are the businessman. Okay, uh, so what will happen to us? We have survived somehow. But now here, the spending power of other people who have lost their everything has gotten to zero or has become lesser. So in that case, people will spend less or negative. There can be cases where they need someone's support to survive. So if they are not spending much, how can our business grow? Now let's say that the people of one area have disconnected to the world. So the people of that area are not having anything like internet, like food, ration in their stock. So the whole market, which is connected to each other but not to that area, but somehow that area's people used to have something from the other world. So somewhere they are also having the loss. Now let's say it is not about your business or something. It is about your a relation, closer relation, like you are not spouse to someone or you don't have blood relation, but let's say you were in a same village and you were having some discontentment, I would say, or argument, dispute over something. So your neighbor in the village who used to earn more or who was doing well or whatever is the reason of being jealous to someone. But if the person whom you are having jealous and the person who has lost everything, even then we are at a loss, because whatever we do, whenever we survive or we live in a community, we depend on each other, and every person in our life help us at some time. I'm not able to explain this thing exactly to everyone, but you know, I can't explain it that why we shouldn't envy someone, um or why shouldn't we be happy when someone loses something. It's hard to explain, but it's easy to understand when we go deep down into our heart and we explore the thoughts, whatever going on inside our mind. So I think that's enough for the day. I know I didn't make much sense in this video, but I hope you have understood this thing. And please let me know what kind of mistakes am I making on my 8th day of spoken English practice. Have a good evening.